3rd and 13. No problem. Quarterback says he's not shotgun, keeps himself. Fumbles. Quarterback in the center. Fumble snap. Quarterback keeps himself. Quarterback in shotgun. Quick pass. Quick to Common. Quick to reception. Quarterback in shotgun with 2 running backs on his left and right. Takes a snap. Himself. Has a small hold check. Under center this time. Hands it off to his running back. Number 8, Sergeant on the carry. Spin move. Quarterback in shotgun. 2 running backs to his right. Keeps himself, has his lead blockers. Makes 1 man miss. Jaden Sargent in shotgun. Keeps himself to his right side, has a wide open hole. 2 running backs to his left. Landon Johnson on the carry. Bounces out way wide. Has the edge. First down and a little bit more. Quarterback in shotgun with the running back to his right side. He's got 3 receivers on the right side. Pass number 2 is Christian Cobbin. Stiff arms a man. Outside, has the edge. No one's going to catch him. Touchdown. Quarterback under center. Keeps to himself. Quarterback under center, running back to the back. Hands it off to his running back. Quarterback hands it off to number 2. Wide open hole. That's going to be way enough for a first down. Cuts back inside, makes 1 man miss. Runs sideways. Makes another man miss. Bounces way out. Good block. And he's finally going to be brought down. Quarterback on the center. Hands off to his running back and fumbled. And it looks like quarterback in shotgun, keeps it himself, stiff arms a man, stiff arms another man, stays up, cuts back inside, he has the sideline, it's going to be a play race. He's at the 40, 30, looks like no one's going to catch him, flag behind the play though, and it's going to be a touchdown. It's in Jordan Knockout carry. Yellow Jackets. Kick it off. Picked up. That's a block. Stiff arms a man. Stiff arms another man. Stays up. Goes back inside. And is going to be tackled. Quarterback on the field. Hands off number 72. Has a big hole. Quarterback under center with one man in the backfield. Hands it off to his running back, and he's met by a wall of. Quarterback in shotgun, pitches it, fumbled on the play. It's picked up by Aubrey, and he's going to be tripped up. Play Sims on the carry, nowhere to go. Quarterback in shotgun. Keeps it himself. Handoff to number 10. Quarterback takes a snap, runs to his left side, cuts back up inside. Quarterback takes a step shotgun, rolls to his right side, looks to pass. Doesn't have a man open, keeps it himself. Makes one man miss. Fumbles the football. Hand off the running back, gets about 1 yard play. The clock gets down to single digits. Does not look like another play's going to get ran. Denison in shotgun. Keeps it himself. Splits two defenders. Bounces back outside. Stiff arms a man. Stays in bounds. Spin move. Quarterback in shotgun. Hands it off to his running back.
There he is. Get it.
Up the middle. Gets a couple good blocks. Quarterback in shotgun, keeps himself. Bounces way outside, he's drugged. Quarterback keeps himself. Stiff arms a man. Bounces way outside. Holding penalty on the outside. Looks like it's going to come back. Spin move. Quarterback in shotgun. Looks to pass. Hasn't hit. Quarterback sends a man in motion. Keeps himself. Wide open hole. Makes one man miss. And he's going to be pushed out of back. Quarterback sends another man in motion. Hands it off to his running back. Fumbled snap. Quarterback picks it up and he's going to get drugged down into the quarterback under center this time. Looks to throw. Goes to his left side. Keeps it himself. No one's open. And he's going to... Quarterback under center. Fixes it to his running back. Reverse. Makes one man miss. Makes three men miss. And he's going to get... Quarterback under center. And he's met immediately in the backfield. Pitches it to his running back. Quarterback under center. Hands it off to his receiver. And he's going to get drugged down. Quarterback in shotgun. Fumble snap, he picks it up, keeps it himself. Has a hole, tries to split the defenders, and he's brought down. Quarterback in shotgun, keeps it himself. Looks to bounce outside, bounces back inside, and he's going to be tackled. Quarterback hands it off to his running back. Denison lines up on 2nd and 4. QB under center. Fakes the hand up to his running back. Bounces outside, makes one man miss. Tries a stiff arm. Quarterback in shotgun on 3rd and 8. Keeps it himself. Doesn't. Quarterback in shotgun. Passes it to his receiver. nowhere to go. Quarterback under center. Takes the handoff. Has a hole. Quarterback under center. Hands it off to his running back. Quarterback keeps it himself. And quarterback deep ball. And it's caught by number 2. Quarterback and shotgun hands it off to his running back. A couple good blocks, had the edge, but he dove inside. It's going to result in about 3 yards. Quarterback takes hand off to his running back, keeps it himself. Hold on, takes a snap, looks the pass. Aubrey on 4th and short. Quarterback in shotgun. Takes the snap, looks the pass. It's caught. Makes one man miss. Throws it again. Quarterback in shotgun. Looks the pass. Quarterback drop back. Aubrey to kick off the Denison. Onside kick. Denison touches it for 14 yards.